Key value stores powering fast and scalable systems. Discover Redis and its real-world applications. What do companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Twitter have in common? They all rely on a super-fast, simple yet powerful solution to manage data at scale: key value stores. Whether you're building a real-time leaderboard, managing session data, or caching frequently accessed information, key value stores are your best friend. And today we're going to dive into how they work, their use cases, and why tools like Redis are essential for every system designer to master. So, what exactly is a key value store? Think of it as a dictionary or a map. The key is like a unique identifier, such as a user ID or session token. The value is the data you want to store, like user preferences, a cache result, or even a JSON object. This simplicity makes key value stores incredibly fast and scalable, perfect for real-time applications where every millisecond counts. So, why are key value stores so popular? Here's the secret sauce. First, speed. Since data is stored as simple key value pairs, lookups are lightning fast. Second, scalability. Key value stores handle massive amounts of traffic with ease. Third, flexibility. They're great for unstructured or semi-structured data. It's like having a Ferrari for your data, simple, sleek, and incredibly fast. Now let's explore some real-world use cases where key value stores shine. Caching applications like Amazon use tools like Redis to cache product pages, reducing load times and database queries. Session management. Netflix uses key value stores to manage millions of user sessions in real time. Leaderboards. Gaming platforms like Fortnite track player scores and rankings with lightning-fast updates. Rate-limiting APIs use key value stores to track usage and apply rate limits. And when it comes to key value stores, one tool stands out: Redis. Redis is an in-memory data store, meaning it keeps data in RAM for ultra-fast access. It supports features like pub/sub messaging, TTL for expiring keys, and even data persistence. Plus, it's ridiculously easy to use with commands like set, get, and del. Redis isn't just a database, it's your system's performance booster. But like every tool, key value stores come with challenges. Memory limitations. Since Redis operates in memory, large datasets can become expensive. Lack of complex queries. They're great for fast lookups, but not for running SQL-like joins or aggregations. Consistency issues. In distributed systems, ensuring consistency across multiple instances can be tricky. Use Redis in combination with other databases for large-scale systems. Leverage Redis clustering to distribute data efficiently. Implement caching strategies like write-through caching to ensure consistency. Here's how to get the most out of Redis. Use TTL, or time to live, for keys to automatically expire unused data. Combine Redis with replication and clustering for fault tolerance and scalability. Monitor and optimize your Redis instances with tools like Redis Insight or Grafana. Redis isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon for building systems that fly. To recap, first, key value stores are simple yet powerful tools for fast and scalable data management. Second, Redis is the gold standard, excelling in speed, flexibility, and ease of use. Third, use cases like caching, session management, and leaderboards make it essential for modern systems. Want to learn more? In our next video, we'll dive into distributed caching strategies, a must-know topic for anyone designing scalable systems. Are you ready to take your system design skills to the next level? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me for the next episode, because in today's world, milliseconds matter, and key value stores make all the difference. Subscribe to Hustler Coder, master system design in 90 days. New video every day at 9 a.m.